guys. You just bless your guys' eyes with some cornmeal porridge. Yum. I haven't had this in so long. So excited for this. I'm just here making Ziggy some tea because his belly is rotten as hell. It is Sunday and Polly and I were just cleaning up the house a little. And then we're trying to figure out what we're gonna cook because it's Sunday. Throughout the whole week we kind of like cooked a lot of different stuff, so when Sunday came it was kind of hard to make a decision on what we're gonna cook today. So we're gonna make some soup because just something kind of soft and settle on our stomach because we've been eating so heavy throughout the week. So we're about to make some chicken soup, chicken foot, chicken, all type of chicken about to be in there, chicken neck. I don't know what we have planned today. Yeah, so I guess I'll vlog throughout the day to show you guys what I'm doing, and y'all see you guys in a bit.
Morning people, morning. Yeah, look some food here.
Yo! Wait, what? No, look! A lizard just shot me. You see it? Yo! I'm like, Polly, it's raining already, and look.
Wait. Well, let's go.
Ew! Bro, I'm about to go. What in my mouth or my eye just now?
You should jump on your lip.
Like, Polly, why is it raining?
You see? So it is a lizard shit.
That's what Polly said.
So Polly knows the lizard shit. Some millions.
Why pray?
Yeah, no. Chopper.
So everything up. Yeah, just live at. Yeah, I know.
I'm mad. Oh.
Sleep, you know.
When?
Last night.
I'm mad. Sell slippers.
Suppose me I go by. He went in the last night.
Where?
He batch them.
Oh, but me tell you, say me link here for anything, no?
I sleep. Go sleep. I'm take a pill now. I'm go fresh now. I take a pill now.
My phone. Shit face.
No, guys, see what I said? Every time if I don't step in shit, I must have to get shit on. You think I'm joking?
Okay, shit face.
Bro, I'm disgusted right now. Yeah. I literally thought it was water, and I'm like...
Is it rain or fall?
Polly's like, no, that's lizard shit. And I look up like this.
See him?
I didn't see it. I didn't want to see it.
Polly, you see lizard, Polly? No.
I know lizard shit that. I must see that bird fly or shit that kind of lizard shit that one black.
One little black and white.
You see, you know, I get the bird shit from the chair, this thing, and the black
Black and white.
And lizard shit that a bird is.
Okay, so I got bird shit on me. So if it's not goat shit, I step in, it's bird shit. And then chill out goat is good luck.
Why? Anyway, so we're there upon the Sunday I go on easy back, you know what I mean? Go up on the beach yesterday, I lost my chain yesterday. I feel like my chain was like good luck and I lost it. So yeah, we don't really have no plans today, you know. Probably I cook. On Sunday we actually probably I cook some soup. You know? More we not typical Jamaica, you know, say Sunday are rice and peas, isn't me? But enough for you also not like it, say, isn't it? More we kind of switch up the thing in our way, see? You know? More just some soup or some dumpling or something. But today probably I cook some, you know, some not even know what probably I cook today.
Bro, I'm so pissed. I'm so pissed.
Shit up.
Shit, what the shit face?
I swear, like, let's see, chicken foot and chicken neck, but differently. She has, I think this is turkey neck. Huh? So Sunday we have soup, probably a soup up thing.
So yo, you guys can laugh at me in the comments. I don't care. I don't care. Okay. So it wasn't even lizard shit. It was bird shit. Probably was tricking me. But yo, that was disgusting. That was really nasty. But anyways, washed my face like 3 times. Yeah. So we ain't doing nothing today. We don't have nothing really planned, to be honest. It's Sunday, they said before. I'm just washing some of the towels. Holly's cooking. Ziggy, we're here watching a movie. And
You're already talking to people.
oh, you did? Oh, Ziggy picked up the camera and chat to her. Oh, I'm so
Wow.
awkward. But ew, what is that? Is that spit?
Yeah.
Nasty. But yeah, we're just here watching some movie. I forgot what this movie is called. I forgot what this. Ew! The fact that I just watched. Oh, string. I'm about to say anyhow, but I just washed my face compared to dirty spit. Yeah, it's so dead today. It's literally dead, and it's so hot outside. So we're kind of like inside because Ziggy's trying to catch it in. I'm joking. I think I'm about to go have another bowl of porridge, to be honest. Guys, yesterday when we went to the beach, I jammed my finger so hard in the ball this morning. Like, it's so sore for me to bend it. I don't know if that ever happened. Like, when you're catching the ball, but it kind of like, your finger's straight and you catch it and it bumps off. Just now my finger is so sore. I don't know who told me I can play ball. I don't know who told me. But, yeah, so I guess like I'll see you guys in the next clip. Look at my
Like a
muscle.
big
Look at that. You see that muscle?
mirror.
Yeah. See, look at that muscle. You jealous?
You begging?
Yo, anytime, if I have like a 2 abs, 3 abs, he would never give me props for, you know, he's always like, you're begging, or that's nothing. You hater.
Begging, G.
Show them your abs. Good. Show them your abs now.
Okay, I'm going to be with them so hard.
Ziggy's getting fat.
No,
Because when he broke his arm, Polly was like, you know, got food and things. Yeah. Why you have to stop as I put the camera on you?
Right now, I'm going to look for you. Like, to give trouble.
So yo, Polly doesn't like when no one's in her bed. Like, no one is allowed to go in her bed. She's in the shower right now.
No, friend, see. Mama, blood clot, bed and go. Right. What you say? What you just say?
Tell her again. Shamia, how you look so brown?
Come on from my bed.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh. I have too much clothes on your bed.
After me now when you pan this, so you come tell me has so much clothes from bed. After I bed, you lay the pan and run. Come on from my bed. Because I bed you the pan run, you don't have clothes pan like a nothing at the night.
On the bed? There's nothing on the bed
I
right
worse
now.
bed you don't have run.
The bed is clear. Look at my stuff. You
That
have, you
bed-
have
that
panty,
bed-
you have dress for it, you're gonna go
Another.
drink. We're gonna go buy you want sex on the beach, drink. What else you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Someone can have 8 pillow? And converter in bed? Yo, your bed's high. Is it 2 mattress? Why is it so high? Look, my legs can't even touch the ground.
You done?
Are you done?
Let me I wonder.
Come, we're going up the road.
You done talking?
We're going up the
We
road.
go do what?
Get ice cream.
If you go out. You don't like it.
Well, originally we thought you were
I don't like it. I didn't like. Come out of the room, man. I went was come out.
I see him, he's been standing.
You went come out. I went no sending the beat. You know I torn the plan.
But he's been standing. How long do you stand like this?
I torn the plan. If you go to sneak up, you better run.
Look what you guys say you want to see Polly.
So when I say Polly now, yo.
God Almighty, me need to know this a fuck run people. So no, no man. You see me don't lock it one come in.
Talk again. Talk again.
Are you done talking?
Are you done talking? How is pretty baby that? Mama. Forty.
No, you live,
So this is Ziggy's 2 niche right here, guys.
African picnic.
You never see this one.
Good.
So Sham, everything mucho.
Ziggy, ever see
Good morning, another rainy day. Just as I put my towels out. It's like literally flooding outside. Jeez. Into a stupid poker game. You seriously have to brush your teeth and play your poker?
Yeah.
So y'all, it is almost 9 o'clock. Water is gone since who knows how long, and I'm about to take a shower. But I know some of y'all can relate to this when you gotta go and like fetch a bucket of water. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Fetch the bucket of water. The water is cold. The water is cold. I'm not too excited about that. But what can you do? What can you do? I ain't complaining. I'm used to this. Here cooking. Got some rice going right here. And some, woo, all that steam. Some stew beef that's kind of like drying down right now. And then Ziggy's in the room. We're watching a movie. But I'm about to go shower. I think we're going to work for a little. What is this outside?
The Sure Shot wand extends Roundup, trusted for over 40 years.
This is your wake-up call. If you have moderate to severe rheumatoid arthritis, month after month, the clock is ticking on
No?
irreversible change.
Are you rude?
Ongoing pain
That's rude.
are signs of
Where'd I put the
exhaustion.
charger?
The American
You're not baiting.
stopped the clock.
Why?
For 15 years,
What me doing for Andy?
blocks the source of inflammation contributes to
That's nasty.
an irreversible
I'm gonna go bathe. So you're not gonna fetch a bucket of water to bathe?
You're not giving us.
What?
You're not giving us.
Did you give me none?
Eh?
Wait, what? I didn't give you none. None of what? Man, bye. Bye. Bye, Felicia.
Vale. Fall mountain, you know? Look at that green at you. Green at you. You come in, I don't come match up some things, you see me? Oh.
I'm about to get some fruit to make some fruit juice.
Come pick up all the same speed. I told you to go up in a car, you have load now. You have load, you know, telephone now. I will get some fruits. Or charge you.
Remember you charge very much and I got my time coming up.
Still gonna get the fruit?
Yeah, man. Who charge you for that? You ain't pay me?
Of course,
You ain't pay me?
me pay.
Eh, see here. Well, me go buy something. Polly, just grow on a scotch, hey. You don't know a car. Gosh. Sure. That's miserable, your friends. Oh, yeah, I get
I got one apple.
$100.
No, I need one more.
So just give man.
Hold it. It's falling out my pocket.
I fruit lane this.
Yo, this is a fruit lane. When you guys come to Falmouth and you want fruit, everyone has their little stall.
Just ask for Officer's Ali.
Officer who?
Officer's Ali.
Remember this guy? If you guys come here,
This is the street called Officer's Ali, okay?
they have some mango, banana, Jamaican apple, some grape, pineapple, papaya, sugar cane, peanuts, grape, everything. Thank you. But yeah. You got back the change? You get back the change? They even have grapefruit there too. Yeah, it looks like it's about to rain in the town right now. And I'm hungry.
Me tree.
This morning we only really had like tea. I didn't even have tea, I had like juice. And then the ship is here. I don't even know what ship that is. That's a big ass slide though. What?
What?
I thought we would eat that for dinner.
What?
That, I thought we would like eat the stew beef for dinner.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Because then we have to worry about cook. Because then you have to worry about cooking.
No, we are eating.
So you're gonna cook later then?
Probably go cook.
Probably gonna say she cooks Sunday.
Yeah.
Wow, you what day? So what, yo, when is your days?
Oh, me back.
When is your days?
The finger them are busy.
The breeze is low-key
Yeah.
blowing the dirt in my face. Soon back in.